here. I'm so glad to be here.
Everybody turn around. Good turn. Tell your friends this morning.
Music, I feel like it's the most wonderful profession, and arts in general, because we help develop the holistic human being. So as you teach through music, that is the language that we're teaching the students to communicate emotions and connect and develop their brain in so many ways.
Going to the farm.
And also we do a lot of, locomotor, non-locomotor activities. And then eventually, we get to instruments, learning the proper position and the discipline of music. I feel that emotions create learning. We follow a curriculum that teaches different levels so we can prepare them, and we will never make them do something that we did not prepare them for. So they get to learn from pre-K activities, for communication, to move and dance and feel comfortable in their own skin.
Say with me, listen to the ducks go quack, quack, quack.
This remote teaching is something new for all teachers, which I really admire all of the teachers who are doing this. It's something different, but we're trying our best, and with patience and with a lot of persistence, we're getting our students at home a quality lesson, as well as the ones who are in person.
Listen to the ducks go quack, quack.
Seeing their face say, "We did it," is the best reward. Sometimes I walked out of here and I hear them singing the song they learned the day off. So those are the small things that just make my heart shine.
But when you hear the music play, don't want to see you do the play. Now you can dance any way you please. But listen close to the breeze.
I want to thank all of Waco ISD for making me feel like I belong and for just being awesome. Thank you, Waco ISD.